Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hopefully you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Toyab, your English teacher, and I am welcoming all of you to our new English class. Our today's topic is article. So let me ask you a question. What is article? So basically an article is an adjective. Like adjective, articles modify nouns. So in English, actually we have two articles, the and a or on. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. On the other hand, a or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We call the definite article and a or an indefinite article. For example, if I say, let's read the book, I mean a specific book. If I say, let's read a book, I mean any book rather than a specific book. Here's another way to explain it. The is used to refer to a specific or particular member of a group. For example, I just saw the most popular movie of the year. There are many movies, but only one particular movie is the most popular. Therefore, we use the. Again, a or an is used to refer to a non-specific or non-particular member of the group. For example, I'd like to go see a movie. Here we are not talking about a specific movie. We are talking about any movie. There are many movies and I want to see any movie. I don't have a specific one in mind. Normally, we use a or an to refer to something for the first time. For example, we went to a museum in Paris. We ate at the museum too. If you see, we are using article a before museum in the first line, but for the same word, we are using article the in the second line. So in first line, the museum has come for the first time in the sentence. That's why it is not definite on. That's why we are using article a. But as it is mentioned in the first line, that means it's been specific. And that's the reason we are using definite article the before museum in the second line. So now we will learn about indefinite articles, that is a and an. A and an signal that the noun modified is indefinite, referring to any member of a group. For example, my daughter really wants a dog for Christmas. This refers to any dog. We don't know which dog because we haven't found the dog yet. Somebody call a policeman. This refers to any policeman. We don't need a specific policeman. We need any policeman who is available. When I was at the zoo, I saw an elephant. Here we are talking about a single non-specific thing, in this case an elephant. There are probably several elephants at the zoo, but that's only one we are talking about here. Remember, using a or an depends on the sound that begins the next word. So, a plus singular noun beginning with a consonant like a boy, a car, a bike, a zoo, a dog, etc. Then an plus singular noun beginning with a vowel sound, an elephant, an egg, an apple, an idiot, an orphan, etc. Again, a plus singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. A user. Here the sound starting with U. Actually we'll find Y here, which is a consonant. So that's why we are using a. Similarly, a university, a unicycle, But if the sound is modified by an adjective, the choice between a and an depends on the initial sound of the adjective that immediately follows the article, like a broken egg. Here we are using the article for the noun egg, but as we have an adjective here, so we are following the initial sound of that adjective, not of that noun. An unusual problem. Similar is the case here. And a European country. Remember that in English, the indefinite article are used to indicate membership in a group, like I'm a teacher. That is, I'm a member of a large group known as teachers. Brain is an Irishman. Brain is a member of the people known as Irish. Seiko is practicing Buddhist. Seiko is a member of the group of people known as Buddhist. The definite article is used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or particular. The signals that the noun is definite, that it refers to a particular member of a group. For example, the dog that bit me ran away. Here we are talking about a specific dog, the dog that bit me. I was happy to see the policeman who saved my car. Here we are talking about a particular policeman. Even if we don't know the policeman's name, it's still a particular policeman because it is the one who saved the cat. I saw the elephant at the zoo. Here we are talking about a specific noun. Probably there is only one elephant at the zoo. So now we will know something about countable and non-countable noun. The can be used with non-countable nouns, or the articles can be omitted entirely. Like, I love to sail over the water. That is, some specific body of the water. Or I can say, I love to sail over water. That means any water. He spilled the milk all over the floor. Some specific milk. Perhaps the milk you bought earlier that day. Or he spilled milk all over the floor. That means any milk. On the other hand, a or an can be used only with counts noun. I need a bottle of water. I need a new glass of milk. Most of the time, you can't say, she wants a water, unless you are implying, say, a bottle of water. So now we will know about the geographical use of the. So we should not use article the before name of the most countries or territories, a name of cities, towns or state, names of streets, names of lakes and bays, names of mountains, names of continents, names of islands. On the other hand, we should use article the before names of rivers, oceans, seas, points on the globe, geographical areas, desert, forest, gulfs and peninsulas. We should not forget the in some places, like the center, the top, the middle, the bottom, the left, the right, the end of, the beginning of, the same, the best, the worst, the sun, the moon, the world, the sky, the sea, the ground, the country, the police, the fire brigade, the army, the piano, the guitar, the trumpet, the flute, the radio, but we cannot use the before television. The doctor, the toilet, the bank, the theater, the post office, the dentist, the cinema, and we should not use the in these cases. So now we will know about the omission of articles. So some common types of nouns that don't take an articles are name of languages and nationalities like Chinese, English, Spanish, Russian. Name of sports like volleyball, hockey, baseball. And name of academic subjects like mathematics, biology, history, computer science, etc. So that's all for the articles. I hope you have all enjoyed the class. I have already given you some worksheet on articles in the school website. Please solve them according to the rules. And thank you for joining the class.